How to make money on skool.com, skool.com. So in this video, I'm showing you how to make money on Skool to actually host your online courses and community, even do affiliate marketing. So Skool is a platform made by Sam Owens that helps you launch your community and host online courses and a lot more. So to make money with this platform, which is booming, it's a booming thing. Let me show you actually what it means. So if we search Skool, the last 5 years web searches, you're going to see that this thing is constantly growing. So it's a platform that is going to consistently grow and grow and grow. And how can you actually jump on the bandwagon and actually make money? So one way to make money with Skool is to actually have your own community. Having your own community is the best thing you can do to actually make money. So I'm going to show you some examples. Like for example, Anime Shreds. It's a Skool community where 6,500 people have joined for $22 per month. If you like shortly just do the math here, 6,500 times 22 is $143,000. That's a lot, you know. That's some of the top communities here. Obviously, if people have free, but if you really want to monetize, you want to have a Skool community. Now, if you don't know how to build a Skool community and all this, I have made video on that too, so you can search it and find it, or I can link in the description. But one way to actually make money is that to have the community. I have a free community, so there is no way I'm not making money with it. But it says that after 50 members, it's going to go from free to $7 per month, which is just kind of a little, you know, thing, so people, also more people join. Also, like what I want to say, it's not like you can not only make money by, you know, building your own community and actually doing your own info product. One way to make money is also advertise the Skool platform itself. What do I mean? What do I mean by that? So with Skool, like you can actually become an affiliate, and with becoming an affiliate, you just go create your own, or just click the first link in the description. When you create your own and people sign from your link, then is when you have, let me show you how much you're actually gonna get. You're gonna get, what are referrals? Okay, here they are. You're gonna get 40% of the monthly recurring revenue for life. If you have a group and one of your members creates a group, we'll attribute the referral to you automatically. So 40% out of $99 is $39, and you get $39. If the person continues to use the platform, you're gonna have $40 per month for life, you know. So that's why it's a great referral program. And like if you do the math, and if you do the right math, you know, like my bad. So what do I mean by that? So for example, imagine you get let's say what, 6 people, right? 6 people for your first month times 40. That's gonna be every single month you have $240. And let's say churn is 10%. So you pretty much divide that by 10, because for like on every month only like 10% of people churn, because churn is going to be obviously normal, how much people stop using the program. You're going to make a lifetime $2,400 on when people, only from 6 people, you know. If you're counting churn, you can make crazy numbers with also time being in the equation, with just like referring some people through it. So what you want to do is just go ahead and join Skool with the first link in the description. That's going to help me. And then when you join, you can start sending your referral link, you know, because you have to join Skool to have a referral link, have a community. So that being said, I hope this made sense. You can not only really just have a course or anything, you can also be an affiliate. So those are the 2 ways that you can make money with Skool. If you found any value, like the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.